Hi, Miss Myra. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Jonah Myra Delantar Cabolios, 37 years old, from Carabawan, Mayantok, Tarlac, Philippines. I am married.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 3 children, girls, ages 13 years old, 4 years old, and 2 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I am the only daughter.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a college undergrad, Bachelor of Elementary Education, and I did not finish my college because I get married.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have work experience before in,
Did you finish your contract?
no sir, I have 6 months only in Hong Kong. I did not finish because I have a family problem.
What is your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing, marketing, and taking care of children.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking sir, honest,
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
no sir,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad sir because I want to give a better future of my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of other children and children with tantrums?
I will talk about it in a calm voice.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. And if you have a children, I promise to love them as my own. And I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.